have a rational expression, we're asked to find the inverse. We assume that it passes the vertical line test, therefore it's a function, and it passes the horizontal line test, therefore we can take the inverse. Klaus, what's the first thing we need to do? Before you do that, that'll turn into y equals x plus 4 over 3x minus 5. You have to treat this like a whole. What do you do next? Switch the x's and y's. So every time you see a y, you're going to write an x. And every time you see an x, that'll become now a y. How do you get rid of the fraction, class? We're going to multiply by 3y minus 5. Is this our first time doing a rational, inverse irrational function? Yes? No? Yes? Okay. I'll give you another one after this. So these will cancel. And then on the right side, we're just left with y plus 4. On this side, you're going to have to distribute. And I'm going to get 3xy minus 5x. Let's not lose track of what we're doing here. What were we trying to do here? Solve for y. So we got to get the y's together. So let's get the y's together. Let's get rid of this one. Let's add 5x. And it's okay if you do it at the same time. We can subtract y. So I'm going to cancel our negative 5x plus 5x. That equals 0. And that's 0. So we're left with 3xy minus y equals, you can have 4 plus 5x, or it's okay to have 5x plus 4, right? Okay, I'm trying to get to solve for our y here. So how can I get it to be a single y? How can I take out the y in one ways? You're going to have to take the GCF. Class, what does GCF stand for? What is our greatest common factor? A y. Y times something equals 3xy. What is it? 3x. Y times something equals negative y. Negative 1. Almost there. I want to solve for y. So this is what math operation right there? Multiplication. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3x minus 1. This will cancel. You're left with y equals 5x plus 4 over 3x minus 1. And to finish it, we change the y to be what? Inverse of x. To review what we just did, change f of x into y. Every time you see a y, you're going to write x, and all the x's you're going to make y's. In this case, I had to move the 3y minus 5 to the other side to get rid of the fraction. I'm going to get the y's together and push away the x. I take the greatest common factor, and actually the inverse of a rational function is a different rational function.